Expanding its global footprint, Chinese automaker JAC Motors ventures into the competitive Australian car market with the introduction of the JAC T9, aimed squarely at the midsize pickup segment. Set to rival established favorites like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, the T9 offers a compelling blend of rugged capability and affordability, presenting a formidable contender in the highly competitive segment. The arrival of the JAC T9 marks a significant milestone for the Chinese automotive industry in Australia. Just a decade ago, the presence of Chinese automakers in the country was virtually non-existent. Today, with JAC Motors joining the ranks alongside brands like MG and LDV, Chinese manufacturers have carved out a substantial share of the market. Particularly in the SUV and UTA categories, drawing inspiration from its successful Hunter nameplate in China, the JAC T9 boasts a rugged exterior design that exudes confidence and capability. Featuring a commanding grille, split LED headlights, and distinctive JAC branding, the T9 makes a bold statement on Australian roads. Inside, the T9 offers a spacious and well-equipped cabin, with a focus on comfort and convenience. A prominent screen spans the center console, complemented by a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.4-inch infotainment display, and a suite of advanced features including a 360-degree camera, leather upholstery, wireless charging, and heated seats. Under the hood, the Australian spec T9 is powered by a 2.0-litre turbo diesel engine, delivering a robust 168 horsepower and 410 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox and equipped with all-wheel drive capabilities, the T9 promises impressive performance both on and off the road. Looking to the future, JAC Motors is also in the process of developing a fully electric version of the T9, showcasing the brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation. With features such as dual electric motors and an 88 kWh battery pack, the electric truck is poised to revolutionize the segment with its eco-friendly performance and advanced technology, rivaling established players in the Australian market, including the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Isuzu D-Max. The JAC T9 offers a compelling value proposition with a starting price of $42,662 Australian dollars, approximately $27,800 US. Backed by a 7-year, unlimited kilometer warranty and distributed through a network of over 40 dealers nationwide. The T9 is poised to make a significant impact in the Australian automotive landscape, as JAC Motors sets ambitious targets for its expansion in Australia. With an initial goal of 10,000 vehicles in the first year, the introduction of the T9 represents a bold step forward for the brand, signaling its commitment to delivering high-quality vehicles at an affordable price point. With its blend of rugged capability, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, the JAC T9 is primed to capture the hearts of Australian consumers and establish itself as a formidable player in the midsize pickup segment.